This channel has completed almost 60,000 subscribers with just 23 videos. And the most interesting thing is its very first video went viral. After this comes this channel, which has completed almost 70,000 subscribers with just 32 videos. And the fun fact is, its first 3 videos went viral. Look at this channel, which has completed more than 500,000 subscribers with just 64 videos. These are all those channels that neither show their face, and some channels do not even use their voice. If you were about to leave the video, then stop once, because this is such a niche that people don't even think of creating a channel on, because they will never know how such videos are made, due to which competition becomes absolutely zero. And today, I am going to give you the breakdown of this niche, which no one will give you on the whole YouTube. You will not believe it. I have been researching this niche for more than a month. The videos of this niche are so demanding that this channel got monetized with just 5 videos. That too, within just 1 month. And you already know people struggle a lot to monetize a channel because they start their channel in the wrong niche. So in today's video, I am going to give you the complete roadmap of this niche, in which I will explain the full process from branding the channel to making this type of video. Believe me, I was about to keep this video for paid membership. That's why I am saying, don't take this video lightly. Even if you search the entire YouTube, you will still not get to see its breakdown. That's why, in this video, I will teach you step by step how you can make such videos, and along with that, I will also create my own channel and show the final result. That's why make sure to watch the video till the end. Step 2. So first of all, we will create a channel, but in this step, I will not tell you how to create a channel. Rather, I will teach you how to choose a channel name, design a logo, and make a good banner. That can be satisfied with this niche. So for the channel name, we will come to ChatGPT, and here we will type, I am creating a channel on self-improvement, fitness, and health motivation. Suggest me 10 channel names that are unique and easy to read. After this, we will send it, and ChatGPT will suggest you 10 unique names. And if still you don't like any channel name, then by typing more, another 10 names will appear in front of you. So I will keep the name of my channel Strong You. Now, I will check on YouTube whether there is already any channel with this name. You can see here, there is no channel with this name. Now, this will benefit me because whenever someone searches my channel will appear at the top, which is a good thing for every channel. So now, let's talk about the channel logo. I have designed the logo and banner of my channel myself in Canva, which looks something like this, but you can also generate from ChatGPT. So simply by adding the channel name, logo, and banner, we will create our channel. Step 3 now, we will do the SEO of the channel. For channel SEO, we will only need channel description and keywords. You will get the keywords in the description of my video. To use them, simply come to the channel dashboard, click on settings below, then click on channel and paste all the keywords in the keyword section. Then click on save below. Now comes the description. You can generate the description from ChatGPT. You just have to tell your channel name and niche. ChatGPT will give you the description, which we will copy and add into the channel description. After doing all this, our channel SEO will be complete. Step 4. Now comes the scripting. In such videos, you will have to keep the script very strong, which should be perfect in every way. Proper hook, emotion, deep psychology, relatable, which is not possible by yourself. That's why I have prepared ChatGPT for such scripts by talking to it for hours, with which you can easily generate 5 to 10 minute scripts. And you don't need any prompt for this. You will get the link of ChatGPT in the description. Watch the video completely, otherwise you won't get to see it, because the method is a little different. When you click on the link, such an interface will appear in front of you. Here you can see how much I have talked for hours to ChatGPT. Then only it is able to give this type of result. You won't believe it. I must have sent ChatGPT at least 10 scripts of such videos so that it can generate high-quality scripts. So simply, here you have to type more, and your script will be ready, which will be at least 7 to 8 minutes long. If you don't like the script, then type more again. You won't even have to put the topic on which you want to make the video. It will select a topic itself according to the niche and write the script. And if you really want to generate a script on some topic, then you can suggest the topic and it will give you the script. Now, you just have to copy your script from here and convert it into voice. For voiceover, we will use DupDub AI, one of the best AI content creation platforms available right now. Here, you can convert your script into high-quality voice, dub your videos, or even create multiple voice variations for different characters. It's perfect for storytelling channels, faceless videos, or any content where professional narration matters. First, go to the video description and click on the DupDub AI link, then log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. DupDub AI is not just a text-to-speech tool, lady. It also has many powerful features to help you create professional videos effortlessly. Don't worry, I'll introduce you to some of the main tools. Text-to-speech, over 700 ultra-realistic AI voices in 90+ languages. You can adjust speed, pitch, pauses, and even use multiple voices in a single script. AI avatar, bring any still image to life with realistic speech and emotions. Perfect for storytelling or presenting characters. Voice cloning, clone your own voice or create a custom voice for unique narration. AI video editing, auto subtitles, video localization in multiple languages, trimming, merging, effects, and transitions. AI transcription and subtitles, automatically convert your audio or video into text and generate subtitles. AI sound effects, add professional quality sound effects to make your videos more engaging. Now click on AI voiceover. A window will pop up on your screen. First, paste your script here and click on the More Voices button. Now you will discover the real treasure. There are so many voices available to choose from. Let's check some voices and select the one that best fits your video.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath and imagine that you are standing in front of a clear blue lake and the skies are clear.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Okay, I'll go with this voice. Now you can adjust the settings like speed, pitch, and pauses to make the narration sound natural and cinematic. After making the adjustments, preview your voice. It sounds amazing. Now click on the export button at the top, choose your file format, and click export. Your realistic voice will be ready in just a few clicks. And here's the bonus for you guys. With DupDub AI, you can turn any still image into a talking character that speaks your script naturally. Okay, let's try it fast. Simply upload an image, and if you want to enhance your picture, click on Enhance and then click Confirm. Next, choose a voice and paste your script. Now click Generate at the top and click Generate again to get a ready-to-use MP4 video. This is perfect for storytelling or faceless motivational videos. You can even use the AI avatar tool in the self-improvement niche, and if you use it correctly, I guarantee it will build your brand value and make your content more engaging in just a few clicks. And here's the good news for you guys. DupDub AI even gives you a free plan, so you can test voices, avatars, and tools without paying anything. But if you're serious about growing your channel, I highly recommend the personal plan at just $11 per month. In this plan, you get enough credits for hours of voiceovers, AI avatars, subtitles, and full commercial rights, which means you can monetize your videos freely. And the best part, when your content grows, you can always upgrade to the professional plan, $30 per month, or even the ultimate plan, $110 per month for unlimited power. So start free, upgrade smart, and let DupDub AI take your content to the next level. Step 6. In such videos, you will find one thing common. That is movie clips, which make the video even more aesthetic. So first of all, we will learn how to find material for such videos. After this, we will talk about editing. In such videos, you will see movie clips, AI videos, stock videos, AI images, text, and a little bit of animation. For movie clips, you can go to these websites. Here, you will get to see movie clips according to words. After this comes AI videos. For this, you can go inside the Pinterest app. Here, you will get to see movie clips, AI videos, and animations. And most creators of this niche use this app. And if you want to download any video, then search on Google, Pinterest Video Downloader. Here, we will paste the link of that video which you want to download. After this, click on the download button below and download it. Now remains AI images and text. For AI images, you can go to Leonardo AI. Here you will get to see high-quality images. So in this way, we will download all our material according to the voiceover. Now comes editing. The editing of these videos is not very special. You just have to set the video according to the voice and add text wherever needed. For editing, I will use CapCut. You can use any application. So first, open CapCut and click on the New Project option, then add a black background. After this, you have to import and add your recorded voiceover. Along with that, we will also import background music, place it on a separate audio track. Now comes the main work, which will take time, because now you have to drag and drop all the video clips, stock footage, and small animations on the timeline, according to the voice. Keep in mind, I am only explaining the structure of how editing is done. I will not show editing, because the video will become too long. Most importantly, you have to keep adding text overlays in between the clips, because it makes the video impactful. When you do everything, then in between, you also have to add riser sound effects from CapCut's sound effects library, which will make our video even more engaging. So this work, you will have to do yourself. Finally, we will export the video in full HD.
Imagine this. You wake up every day, look in the mirror, and feel like life is slipping through your fingers. You see everyone around you leveling up, achieving, building their dreams, while you
Watch the full video from the description. There, you will also get to see today's created channel. I have not created any fake channel. Everything will be in front of your eyes in the description. For such stock videos, movie clips, AI clips, I have created a separate Telegram channel, which you must join, because I will keep uploading such clips there. You will also find the link of ChatGPT in my Telegram channel. And those who don't use Telegram, they will also get that link on my WhatsApp channel. You can use it from there. So don't search for the link of ChatGPT in the description. Just click on the link of Telegram or WhatsApp. You will get the link of ChatGPT. That's all for this video. And if you want to know how I gained 100,000 subscribers with only 5 videos, then click on this video. I meet you there.